It smells really nice.
Wow, Charlotte, your skin is looking good.
I know, it does, doesn't it? It's because of the August recipe box that we had with our 6-step skincare routine.
Yeah, that's a nice routine. And this month we have a recipe that is the perfect addition. It's a face soap recipe.
Yay! My face will look so much nicer.
It already looks good.
Wow. Can always get better.
You're gonna be blinding people with your glow. So for this recipe, you need a soap mold, like this one that comes in our recipe box. Happy Joy essential oil, also comes in our recipe box. 1.5 ounces, or about 3 tablespoons of glycerin soap base. This dries clear, and you also need a teaspoon of lemon zest, like I mentioned before.
All right, so how do we make this guy?
So it's crazy easy. We're gonna melt this. You can do it in a double boiler, which is a good option because it gives you a lot of control over the temperature. Or you can melt it in a microwave, which we're gonna do today. And you're gonna use a really short amount of time because you don't want it to get too hot. If it gets too hot, the essential oil in it will just evaporate right away, and we want that Happy Joy smell.
All right, so how long is a little bit of time?
In 10 seconds, this will be melted.
All right.
So now that that's melted, we're gonna add 6 drops of our Happy Joy blend. It's made up of essential oils that help promote feelings of happiness and joy. We're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Go for it. You can give it a little bit of a stir, and then we're gonna put it in our mold right away. It does start to solidify pretty quickly, so you wanna do this fairly fast.
Okay. It's all in there.
And it's ready to go. You just need to wait for it to solidify. Once it solidifies, it's ready to use. You can wash it on your face. Use it to wash your face like you normally would. You'll want to store it in a dry place. If you keep it in the shower, it'll kind of gradually break down because of all the moisture.
Makes sense.
And if you want to speed up this process, you can pop it in the fridge. So let's go do that. In the end, it's gonna look like this. The lemon zest gives it a really pretty color. Touch it. It feels nice, doesn't
yes,
it?
it does.
And it feels really good on your
really
skin.
nice.
It's really gentle, making it a great face soap. And it also, what do you think of its smell?
It smells really nice.
It smells really good too.
It's not really
so
overpowering.
Make
Just
your
nice.
morning wonderful.
To get everything that you'll need to make this soap and more, go to simplyearth.com.
Yep, we have a great essential oil recipe box that makes having a natural home easy that you're gonna love.
See you later.